Still have password or what?
Air E password.
If it's asking for a password, something is wrong with the operating system because it doesn't have any password. What the iPad asks is for your security code.
That's the one you use to.
The one you use to turn it on? Yes, that code.
That's
That's the only thing.
That's what it's wanting?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Okay. And you'll have to put that in every time, just like if you were
And-
signing on to student Wi-Fi?
Yes. The first thing coming to school or connecting the iPad to the Wi-Fi, best thing to do is join instead of student Wi-Fi.
Will it stay joined all day? Maybe?
Yeah, it's working pretty good. I mean, I haven't had any issues. Now, point number 4, we're talking about ebooks. How the students get their electronic books? I'm asking you. Do you remember? Students receive the electronic book through 2 different processes. Number 1, brand new students, Pro-D, or re-entries. They go to eCollege and they're going to tap on the e-text link. That's the place for re-entries or brand new students to get the electronic books. For continuing students, they receive automatically the book onto the Vital Source bookshelf. Fine, right? Now, how the instructors receive the electronic books? Through the redemption codes. So on the paper, I have the e-textbook issue 4. Now that, well, you know, corporate is changing the books without saying anything, and then we need to access the electronic book. The only way we are going to get them is posting a ticket, sending a ticket, submitting a ticket. And the place for you to go for requesting these is the BMC resources. So I'm going to go back there again. But now I'm going to go to the faculty technology resources. You know, originally this site is composed of 2 tabs. The right one is for faculty. I'm going to go and access that portion. You need to enter the username, which is faculty@bmcer, and the password for the month. Password for this month is FEB, capital letters, BMC, lowercase, 02.
Do you have the one for March yet?
Yes, I have it on my desk.
What was the
Password for this month is capital letters FEB, FEB, and then lowercase is BMC, 02. This is the place for you to go and submitting a ticket requesting the electronic book.
So we don't get a redemption code anymore, we have to make a
Yes.
request?
Yes, you're gonna be receiving a redemption code, but you need to request that redemption code.
Joy used to do it for us. Now
Joy
there is no
used to
Joy.
do it.
So
And-
we need to request it using that,
Mhm.
and we're requesting it not of the librarian anymore, we're requesting it of somebody at BMC.
Somebody
Resources.
outside, somebody outside. Her name is Suzanne Sandrich,
Yeah.
and she's the person leading in Cincinnati this process about redemption codes and ebooks and all that stuff.
You know, I've had a very unsatisfying experience with the last ebook that I've had, not the first time, but no resources for instructors, no PowerPoints with it, no direction how to find PowerPoints anywhere, no testing, no exams, everything had to be originated. That's in our public speaking course this month, as a matter of fact.
We are experiencing that situation right now, and they changed the book in the middle of January. And not only public speaking, they changed professional development, they changed sociology, they changed statistics, and
Yeah, we had a new one in legal research too in
and
January.
another course for healthcare.
Without any teaching, maybe they did it in research, but no, what about the teaching support materials? Can we expect we will receive them or maybe not?
There are some on this same site. You need to go right here. BMCE textbook resources. This is the place where you will find out if there are some resources and materials for the classes. And they posted something for Kendall Hunt. Kendall Hunt is the new publisher for public speaking, for professional development, sociology, statistics. So they have information for just professional development and sociology. There are no more resources for the other three changes they made. We're expecting to see these soon. Bottom line on this is I wanted to show you the place for you to request your redemption codes, okay? And you're gonna be receiving an email confirming that they got your request and they respond quickly. Quickly, yes.
The quickly face.
Let's go to the next portion of the agenda, is the Pearson LMS app. How many of you guys have the new eCollege app on the iPad? How many of you? I have it for showing to the students.
I don't.
No, you don't? Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Go to the App Store.
This is what
Go to the App Store, and I'm showing you on the screen as well. You go to the App Store, and then you type in courses, the word courses. And then you hit search.
I need you to start that again. I missed where you began.
App Store,
App Store.
go to the App Store on the home screen, go back. Here it is.
Okay, never
Go to the App Store and then type in, right here, these courses.
Courses.
Yeah, that's the key word. And this is the app.
Okay, no.
Okay, you can download it.
Download which?
Here's courses.
Oh, Pierce, okay. Oh.
You know, free.
Pearson Learning Studio, okay, sign into iTunes.
Folks, this is the best way for students to access eCollege. And actually, knowing that eCollege and the iPads have a lot of conflicts, we need to encourage everybody to keep using this app instead of the regular way to access their classes. What is the regular way? The regular way for them is going to the student portal and then launch the class, and then they will be taken to the eCollege portion. Now this app is helping a lot with students can see their grades, students can respond to their discussions and download documents with no difficulties. One of the future enhancements is they're going to be able to attach documents to Dropbox. Everything just with this app. This is not an app for faculty. It is just for the students. But you need to set up some things on a regular computer in order to the students to be able to work it out properly. So as soon as you open it, I'm assuming everybody has downloaded the app.
Oh.
You're gonna enter the username and the password for, same stuff for checking your email. Same stuff. This is not your e-college access. This is your Brown Monkey email access. And you can see basically the classes, I couldn't find out a way for coming and showing you how the students see and what all they can see. But it is very important that we let them know to download this app so they can, work properly with all the stuff that we put in college. Some of the features the students have with this app is the possibility for communicating in the same way we do it with Facebook. So they can create their profiles, and we, as faculty, we can also create our profiles. So I'm going to show you, and actually the attachments that you have on my handout.
Mine keeps bumping me
The
out.
first
Yeah,
two
I'm looking at
pages.
it. Is it not BMC?
Brown
See
Monkey.
online?
Yeah, the reason why, see,
College.
the reason why is because since you are a department chair, you have all the classes of the school, and the app cannot upload all those classes.
Okay, so.
That's the reason why, that's why I cannot use it. But even instructors cannot use it. This is just designed for students.
So
So we can't get it
should
in?
we take it off of here?
If you want, yeah, but I have it there just to show the students how it looks like.
Okay, but I can't even get to that page. No.
So on the handouts, the first two pages are instructions for creating your profiles. Okay, it has screenshots. All this is very friendly to use. And as soon as you create your profile, you're going to be able to communicate with your students in your class in the same way you do it with Facebook. You're going to see the picture. You can, upload a picture, and you can upload some like a brief biography, I would say, your profile. Students should do the same. And this is the reason of these first two pages on the packet. And actually, all this documentation, I'm going to go back to the BMC resources site. Under LMS, right here.
Okay, so that's where we're going now.
You're going to find, yes ma'am, you're going to find these documents that I'm bringing to you today. Social Course Home Instructor Profile, this one, is the first attachment. How to create that profile. So if I go to this PDF document, this is what you're going to see, which is the same 2 pages that you have attached.
So instructors will be able to do this if
Instructors-
they choose to.
We recommend that all faculty create the profile as well.
Because they'll be able to access what the students are.
And the students are going to be able to see, the instructors' profiles in their classes.
Just for that sake of the classroom thing, then.
It's short.
Gotcha.
It's brief.
Is it just for Pearson textbooks, or is it for everything?
No, this is for everybody in all classes. All class shells in
Okay.
e-college now have these features available.
I'm the complicated one.